How to manually add workout to Google Feed. Hello everybody, if you guys are wondering how you may follow up these simple steps. So for that, you can go ahead and open up Google Feed application onto your device, and once you open it up, you may log in using your Google account. So once you are logged in, you should be finding this interface which shows your heart, BTS, steps, and different other options. So if you want to add an activity to your Google Feed, what you can do is from the home interface, you can directly find a plus icon on your screen. You can simply tap on it. And then when you go ahead and tap on it, it gives you a menu. Now from the given menu, you may go ahead and select up the option called Add Activity. Since we are adding a workout, tap on it. And then once you go ahead and tap on Add Activity here, it will give you options. So you need to fill out this one right here. So the first thing is you need to add up a title for your workout. So what kind of workout you are doing, you can just go ahead and type in the title, and you can, on the second option, you need to select up the activity, like what kind of activity you would like to choose as your workout. For example, when you go ahead and tap on it, we have different options given. So for example, if you are going to swim, you can tap swimming. After that, select swimming, and you can start. You may even keep a duration if you prefer, and then click on OK, and you can set up a time, duration, everything. After that, you can set up an intensity as well if you want a low workout intensity or high workout intensity, and click on OK. After that, you can even keep the distance and inners expanded. After that, you can also even add up a notes if you prefer, and then click on save at the very top. And then there you go, your activity has been added to your Google Feed. So that is it for now. You may follow the same process in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.